Hi friends! For today's math journal, you're going to need a pencil, scissors, a glue, and maybe some manipulatives so we can check out these true or false questions. Okay, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, now we're going to look at the subtraction sentence. If it's true, we're going to glue it here. If it's false, we're going to glue it on the other side that says false. So true is the happy face and false is the sad face. So I'm going to cut out my first subtraction sentence. All right. I have 3 minus 1 equals. We're going to review using our number line. So I'm going to start at 3, and now I'm going to go backwards 1. I landed on 2. 3 minus 1 equals 1, but I landed on the number 2. Let's draw a picture to see. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to cross off 1. I still ended up with 2. Okay, let's use our manipulatives and check it one more way. 1, 2, 3, minus. So we're going to take away 1. And I'm left with 2. So 3 minus 1 does not equal 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So that's false. 3 minus 1 does not equal 1. We solved to find out 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. You can use the number line to check your subtraction sentence. You can draw a picture, or you can use your manipulatives. You can also do it all 3 ways to check your work. All right, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.